This is the elevator at the Fairfield Inn and Suites in Williamsport, Pennsylvania. Let's go to 3. Schindler HT, vandal-resistant fixtures. Here we go. We're going to go down to 1. Door closed does not work as expected. Here's your cab view. Floor is kind of dirty, as you can see. Takes the door a while to close. We're gonna end it up at 3. There's no inspection certificate in this elevator. We're gonna watch the button go out. Here's a little look at the hotel corridor. And here's your ECI interlock from, what does that say? 405, so April 2005. Anyway, there it goes. And that'll be it.